In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date and time format in Zoom. This quick update can make your schedules and meeting invitations clearer, especially if you collaborate across regions where formats differ. We'll make the changes right in your Zoom account settings on the web, so they apply consistently across your meetings. Once you're in your Zoom account on the web, start by opening the main navigation on the left and selecting My Account. This takes you to your account dashboard, where you can manage profile details and preferences. If your sidebar is collapsed, look for the menu icon to expand it so you can see the My Account option. From the account dashboard, choose Profile. This is the central area where your personal settings live. It's where Zoom stores information that appears on invites and across the platform, including your preferred formats. Inside Profile, head to Personal Information. This section contains fields that control how information displays for you. It's a good place to double-check your details while you're here, but we'll focus on the date and time formatting options. Find the date format setting and open the selector. Choose the layout that makes the most sense for you. Common choices include month or day or year, or day or month or year. If you work with international teams, picking a format that matches your audience can help avoid confusion over meeting dates. As you make your selection, imagine how it will appear on scheduled meetings and calendar invites so everything stays consistent. After choosing your preferred date format, click Save. This is important. Your choice won't apply until it's saved. Give the page a moment to update. If you don't immediately see the change reflected, a quick refresh of the page usually does the trick. Next, locate the time format setting. Open the selector and pick between a 12-hour clock with AM and PM or a 24-hour clock. The 12-hour format is common in some regions, while the 24-hour format is preferred for clarity in others, especially to avoid confusion around morning and evening times. Choose the one that matches how you read and share time most comfortably. Finally, click Save again to confirm your time format. Once saved, your new date and time formats will apply across your Zoom profile and will be reflected in meeting details going forward. If something still looks off, make sure you're viewing your profile page and not cached information in another tab. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more consistent Zoom experience.